Yes, that's right. You can leave these bones or that wrap Ethereum can stay in there and you do not have to wolf them out. You can wolf them out when you want to. And my strategy is I want this to accumulate more bones. That way it'd be worth it in terms of the fees. How I do my fees, I treat a fee like a bill, like a car bill, like a cell phone bill. I treat like a bill. However, I will let this accumulate before I take them out, and let's talk about it a little bit more. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. That Woof right here is 1.2077. For an example, and let's say I'm trying to wolf this out, and I'll show you why I think it's worth it, in my opinion, to keep it in there and let it accumulate over time. So if I'm trying to wolf this out, I'm going to log into my Coinbase wallet. I am logged into my Coinbase wallet. And if I'm trying to wolf the bone out, click on wolf bone. If I zoom in a little bit out, make sure I can confirm that. Okay, so this is not bad. That's $18. $18.77. But think about it. Bone is worth $1.70. You see what I mean? $18 for the fee, $1.70 to take the bone out. I don't think it's really worth it unless you have a budget for fees. Unless you have a budget for fees and this is not part of your everyday movement. Let's go to another example of why sometimes it's best to leave your bones or your wrap Ethereum or your other rewards, let it accumulate and then take it out. So another example here, look at this Woof DAI. Let's see what the price will be if I'm trying to whoop this out. Let me cancel the previous transaction and let's whoop this out and see what it says. Okay, I'll look at my phone, my Coinbase wallet, that's what we're using. Okay, it's $18.77 once again. So that's not bad. That's not bad. They give me the same, basically the same type of pricing for this. Okay, so another one. Let's see about wolfing some of your pairing. Let's say you pairing some of these and you're digging and you're looking to wolf them out to claim those rewards. So let's go to one of them here. Let's go to this one right here. And let's say I'm trying to take 5 bones out. We accumulate bones every day. We dig for bones every day in a wolfing pairing. And so let's say I want to take these out. $5 times what? $1.77? $1.70? I don't think that's worth it. That's what's that? What, $10? 5 times 1, it's like $5. Basically about $5 pretty much. But if I'm trying to whoop this out and trying to claim the rewards, and this is why sometimes it's best just to be patient. Be patient and think about accumulating. And so this is what I'm saying is that if I'm trying to whoop these bones out, let's see what the price is going to be. Check this out. $51. I don't know if you can see that. $51.73. Now my strategy is I like doing my transactions late at night between like 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. because the fees are usually lower when you're doing it at that particular time. That's just what I've strategized and learned from other people. And so it's not always going to be there, but your odds are a little bit better than doing it like at 1 p.m. during the day. So if I'm trying to wolf those out, it's $51. $51. Let's check one more thing out here. Let's say I am trying to take one more. Look, I'm bearing my bones. I've got 9.7. So this is a different one now. So now I've got a little bit more bones. Now I can wolf out, but that would be 9 times 1. It'd be what? Basically, let me go and do the little mini calculator times 1.70. So it'd be $15. $15. Okay, that's basically what it's worth, pretty much, give or take. Let's say I'm trying to wolf this out here. Confirm on phone. Make sure you connected with your Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, or your MetaMask. If I go to my wallet as my phone, and let's see what it's going to be. The fees is $18. So the fees $18, but the value of bone is about $15. So for me, I will wait a little bit longer to collect more bones and then take those out because of the fees. And if it's $18 right now, it could be $8 or $9 late at night. So I can save about $10, possibly. Not a guarantee, but it's just a strategy I've been using for some time now. So In this video, sometimes it's best just to wait and let your bones or your rewards just sit there for a while. Let it sizzle a little bit. Let it go ahead and sizzle. Like you got bacon on the pan. Let it sizzle a little bit. But then it'll be time to take them out. And you'll know it. You'll be like, okay, we've got 40 bones or 20 bones. I'm making an example. Just making an example. So then it'll be more worth it taking it out to accumulate, to account for the fees as well. But I'm an accumulator. I am a waiter. I am a patient man. I am Shelton Inu. I am Captain Inu. Yes, I'm excited about this. I know I went too far. My bad. But anyway, that's what the video is about. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And yes, sometimes it's best just to wait and then claim the rewards at a later time. Click on the links below to get started today, and I'll see you on the next video.